Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing 3 1-minute thrift flips like my last video, except the stuff I bought for this thrift flip I bought at the dollar store. So it's kind of an unconventional challenge because some of the stuff isn't fabric, it's like objects. Also, if you like anything I made in this YouTube video, I will be putting some of them up for sale on my Etsy account. I'll put the link down below, and if you don't see it when this video is posted, give me a week because I probably need to fix it up. So the stuff that I got from the dollar store were these keychain badge holders. I got 2 of them. This little mini pocketbook, and it has 2 zippers. I thought that was really cool, and I might be able to do something with it. I got eyeglasses cord. I thought this was so cute because it reminds me of Clueless. And I got these patches. I didn't even know the dollar store sold patches, but these are super cute, and I wish I could get more, but this was the only set they had of this. And if these designs come out good, I'll definitely do another dollar store thrift flip. So first thrift flip are these yellow shorts, and also my cat's right here. She's kind of taking up room and I don't want to take her down. I feel bad. So for this, I was thinking about putting them right here on the pocket so there's a clear case over it. I thought I saw this trend going around that I wanted to try. So what I'm going to do is cut these apart and glue them over here with my hot glue gun, or I'm going to sew them depending on which one works. So upset the plastic bent a little. So I marked where this began and then where it ended before the plastic, and I'm going to cut it out and make sure I kind of have seam allowance so I'm able to glue this down. So for this top, I wanted to use the cute Clueless circle, and I was thinking about turning this into a tube top where this is in the center, but we'll see where this goes. First thing I'm going to do is cut straight across here. So now I'm going to find the middle and cut straight through. Last outfit is this long denim dress that I'm going to turn into a 2-piece and then put these patches around it somewhere. Honestly, I really want to make these into shorts, but I feel like it won't look good with the drawstring. First thing we're gonna do is get rid of this ugly zipper. I don't know who thought that was cute. It's not. It's so random. So we're gonna seam rip that right out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up with my weekly videos of thrift flips and fashion. And comment down below which was your favorite thrift flip and what else you'd like to see from my channel.